Welcome to NotebookLM, your intelligent assistant for managing and organizing your projects. Let's dive into its key aspects. NotebookLM organizes projects into notebooks, which are similar to folders on a computer. This helps you keep everything neat and tidy. Each notebook is separate, so NotebookLM cannot access information from multiple notebooks simultaneously. NotebookLM uses uploaded documents, web pages, and other materials as sources. A source document is a static copy of a Google Docs slide PDF file, or text that is copied and pasted into the app at the time of upload. NotebookLM uses these sources to answer questions and complete requests. NotebookLM uses a three-panel design that organizes the workspace around input, understanding, and output. The Sources panel on the left is the input area, where research materials are uploaded and managed. The Chat panel in the center is where users engage with the AI to understand the information in their sources, ask questions, and receive answers grounded in the uploaded material. The Studio panel on the right is where users generate outputs like study guides, briefing documents, and audio overviews, transforming the information from the sources into new formats. Chat Interface NotebookLM provides a chat interface where users can ask questions and receive answers based on the uploaded material. The answers include inline citations that show where the information is based. Clicking a citation takes you directly to the original passage in the source. Chat responses only use data from the uploaded sources. Notes NotebookLM allows users to create notes in several ways. Saving a model response to notes. Writing a new note in the Notes section of the Studio panel. Creating a one-click summary of the notebook sources in formats such as briefing doc, timeline, FAQ, and study guide. Audio overviews. NotebookLM can generate audio overviews, which are discussions between two AI hosts who summarize key topics in the sources. These overviews reflect the source content. When a new source is uploaded, NotebookLM creates a source overview that summarizes the document and offers key topics and questions. Notebooks can be shared with others, granting either viewer or editor access. NotebookLM Plus users have additional sharing options. Help Center NotebookLM can be used as a help documentation or as a guide for new users. Tell me more about NotebookLM. NotebookLM is an AI tool that helps people understand complex information by providing an integrated space for reading, thinking, asking questions, and writing. It excels at workflows that synthesize information across multiple documents, serving as a valuable tool for various professions. Key features and capabilities of NotebookLM include notebooks for organization. Projects are organized into notebooks similar to folders on a computer. Each notebook operates separately and cannot access information from other notebooks. Sources as input. You can upload documents, web pages, and other materials to use as sources. A source document is a static copy of a Google Doc, slide, PDF file, or text pasted into the app upon upload. NotebookLM uses these sources to answer questions and fulfill requests. Supported source types include Google Docs, Google Slides, PDFs, text files, Markdown files, web URLs, copied and pasted text, YouTube URLs, and audio files. Each source can contain up to 500,000 words or up to 200 megabytes for uploaded files. The workspace is organized around input, understanding, and output. Located on the left, this is where research materials are uploaded and managed. In the center, users interact with the AI to understand source information, ask questions, and receive answers grounded in the uploaded material. On the right, users generate outputs like study guides, briefing documents, and audio overviews, transforming source information into new formats. NotebookLM offers a chat interface for asking questions and receiving answers based on uploaded material. Answers include inline citations that link to the source of the information. Chat responses are derived solely from the uploaded sources. Notes for summarization and idea capture. Notes can be created by saving model responses, writing new notes, or generating one-click summaries of notebook sources in formats like briefing doc, timeline, FAQ, and study guide. You can create up to 1,000 notes per notebook. Audio overviews for summarization. Generate audio overviews which feature discussions between two AI hosts summarizing key topics from the sources. These overviews reflect the content of the sources. Source overviews for quick understanding. When a new source is uploaded, NotebookLM generates a source overview summarizing the document and suggesting key topics and questions. Collaboration for shared understanding. Notebooks can be shared with others, granting either viewer or editor access. NotebookLM Plus users have additional sharing options. Help Center NotebookLM can be used as help documentation or as a guide for new users.